What should be your plan if flying European economy class in style? Unbox Lufthansa A320 economy. Visit Munich home-based senator lounges. What to expect on a 90-minute journey? Should you buy onboard meals?
Hi, I'm TreePapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to TreePapa's channel, and good evening from Munich Airport. Today I will continue my transit journey to Krakow, Poland, via Lufthansa economy class. As a Star Alliance Gold member, I will take a chance to visit Lufthansa home-based Schengen lounges here and order some snacks in the air to pretend like a business class flyer. Before we reveal all the details, as always, let me share with you how I got here. Previously, I visited the best Schengen lounge in Barcelona airport, flew Lufthansa A320 Neo in economy class, and ordered a cold dinner box. How does it compare to business class? Check the link below. Unlike KLM or Middle Eastern Airlines with one centralized flagship lounge, Lufthansa has more than 10 lounges in Munich Airport to serve premium and elite flyers. Commonly, the Senator Lounge is equipped with a bar, cold and hot buffet, and snack area. However, the lounge staff informed me that my connecting flight is actually located at the bus gate.
Oh, my connecting flight is gate K. And they say this is the Shuttle Gate. Walking distance 37 minutes. So I'm in the Munich airport. I thought I got time to enjoy the lounge. However, it's super busy and super far. But let's go to the Shuttle Gate. Alright, gate K and L, first gate. Go.
Let me head to gate K right away. It took approximately 15 minutes to get there.
Currently I'm at the Munich airport, gate K. This is a bus gate. However, not many people here. And the environment also looks quite good. They got 4 shops and everything. I will try to find Lufthansa lounges.
Surprisingly, even the bus gate has full facilities, including shops, restaurants and lounges. Let's head to another Senator lounge. They have pretzels, snacks, drinks with great options. Cold and hot food. It is actually identical to the previous Senator lounge. I personally recommend just choosing the nearby one and relaxing with a glass of drinks and more food if you will be flying economy class later with no complimentary food in the air. Now let's head to the gate and board Lufthansa A320 economy class. This is a narrow-body jet. 3-3 configurations are standard for this economy class cabin. A quick seat tour here. A pocket below. Standard tray table. Safety card, shopping magazine, and paid food menu. Legroom is just fine. There's a small hook for a face mask, air vent, and reading light. The seat is covered with leather. To be frank, it's pretty stylish. There's no entertainment system on board. It is worth downloading some offline games or movies. Now let's enjoy the takeoff engine sound from Lufthansa A320. Every passenger will get a complimentary bottle of water. I decided to order this €5.90 Dallmayr Baumkuchen ring. since this is a 90-minute journey, the chocolate has been dispatched right after my cake. Let's unbox the cake. Well, the taste is fine, and I'm happy to enjoy some sweets in the air. Still, I recommend bringing your own food on board economy and enjoying lounge meals if you have access. Very soon, we are approaching Krakow. Sit back and enjoy the landing night view. Welcome to Krakow and goodbye Lufthansa. Let's take the airport bus and head to the terminal. In summary, the economy class journey is basically not much to address, especially within Europe without any entertainment system. It's worth planning ahead for something to entertain yourself. Regarding paid onboard meals, they are really overpriced. I recommend visiting the lounge or bringing your favorite food on the ground with you. That's all for today. Enjoy your journey. See you in my next video. I choose the hotel next to the famous castle in Krakow, Indigo Krakow, the old town. Stay in the best top floor suite with complimentary red and white wines. You shouldn't miss the amazing breakfast buffet here.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.